Hello guys, my name is Ogma. I'm the founder of eReader Digitals and eReader Host. Today I'm going to show you how to create this amazing website. Let me show you around. This is white background, okay? So it has a white background and also dark background. So you can change it to dark or white, as you can see. Now, there is a push notification here, which your readers can also subscribe, which will help you to reach more customers. Now, what is the importance of the push notification? When a visitor or someone visits your site for the first time, he or she will see this, and when he accepts to click on that, it means that, you see, it will ask him to allow push notification, or it will automatically subscribe push notification for his or her browser. So which means that anytime you post a new content, the person will get a notification on his phone or computer that you have posted a new post. So it will not only send a notification including the link. So when a person click on the link, it will take him to the new post that you just published. So I'm going to show you how to create this amazing website. Now, what I love about this website is the dark and the white mode. And let's move around. Everything is perfect here. It's so amazing. I love this website. Let's click on one of them and let's see. What do you see? In fact, I love it. It's very nice and beautiful website. Let me show you how to deal with the push notification. Good. So now let's go back to here. Dashboard, that's wp/admin. You want to log in. I'm going to show you how to do that. So I will enter my username here, my password, so I have login. Okay, so I'm on my dashboard right now. Let me go to posts. Let's say I want to edit one of the posts. So in here, let me show you. Good. In here, I have send notification on publish. So when you check this, it means that all those who have subscribed on your website will get a notification. Now let me take you back to the dashboard. Let's go down here. This is the push notification. Let's go to users. So here we will see a list of people who have subscribed to this website to receive a new post, notification on a new post. That is only one person. Now let me show you something. That is users, notification. So you can go to notifications. You can even send notification here, from here, title, then message. After that you can send it, and those people will receive a notification on your new post. And I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create this amazing website. I know you will love it. Now let me show you once again. Let me open it in a new tab. Okay, so it did not appear again. So it does still, you will have it here. Let's see. Okay, so if I open it in a new browser, I will see the notification. Good. To subscribe. Okay, so when you click subscribe, you will not see the notification again. When I click here, then it will pop up next time I open this site again. I know you will love this tutorial. So keep your head straight and let's meet. Thank you. Now we are going to look at how to design the whole website. This is just introduction. Now, before you design a website, or before you can design a website, you need two important things. That is, there's no way you can design a website without those two things that I'm talking about. That is domain and web and hosting. Okay, domain and hosting. Let me explain the domain. Domain is like an address. I don't want to spend a lot of time trying to define it, but let's take it as an address. Okay, to your house. Okay, so domain is like address to your website. Okay, address to your website. That's what about the domain. And then the hosting is before you can build a house, you definitely need you need a plot in order to build a house, right? Good. So the server, web hosting, is a server, or it's like a plot of land where we will build our website. Okay, that is what about hosting. And then domain, as I said, is address to our house, or let's say address to our website. Okay, so we need that. Now, Irida Digital, we provide that. Okay, we have affordable web hosting and a domain name. I'm going to show you where to get started. Okay, so let me open the browser, the new tab, and enter iridahost.com. iridahost.com is below this video, so just enter that. Okay, good. This is the platform. You are going to buy the domain and the hosting from here. Okay, good. Let me close this. Let's go down here and let's look at the domain name. You can search for your domain here, but let's go. And then these are some of the plan that we have here. Okay, we have 80 CDs, bronze, and look at something. There's something I want you to pay attention to. Some of the plans are unlimited, almost all the plans. Okay, then the copper is unlimited, as you can add unlimited domain. Okay, more domain, that's all about. Okay, and then all the plans here, but the only differences between them is the SSD storage. Okay, the 81 is 500 megabyte and this 1 gig. Okay, for the sake of this tutorial, I would advise you to go with something like this or this. Okay, so that you'll be able to add more websites. Okay, because this one is unlimited domain, but with the 500 megabytes, as a simple, you can add, let's say, 2 simple sites, and even that one, it won't be easy. Okay, because at least the size will be somewhere around 300 megabytes, getting to 400. So I would advise you to go with this one, this or that. Okay, so that you'll be able to add more website. Now let's go with this. So I will select that. Okay, so you are here. The plan has been selected. As you can see, we need a domain. I have to add a domain. Okay, and we are going to search for domain too. Okay, so I will just click here and enter domain that I want to buy. If you already have a domain that you want to add, okay, let's say you have already bought a domain somewhere, you can click here, use an existing, okay, or external domain. When you click on that, then after that you enter the name of the domain. Okay, and make sure that before you do that, make sure you change the name server. Okay, ns1.irida.com, ns2.irida.com up to ns4. Okay, good. So let's move on. I will register a new domain. Okay, so let me go to register a new domain, and I will enter the domain as iridablog.xyz. Okay, good. It's here. So I want to go with this one, iridablog.xyz. Let me select that. It has been added. So add to cart. Okay, so after that you have to enter the details here. Okay, the register name. Okay, so that is my name, Amakum Ernest. Okay, and then organization, that is Irida blog. Good. And then email. Let me pause it and fill the most important parts Okay, I'll pause the video. Okay, so I've filled all the forms. Okay, so I've added all the important, that is my address, everything, my email, the state. State is not other important. Okay, the city is important, I've added, and then the postcode is 00233 for Ghana. Okay, that's what we have been using. Okay, good. So I'm done with that. So I will click update. Okay, good. So we are here. As you can see, I've added the two of them. Okay, and I have to pay only 130 Ghana cedis. Okay, and we are going to design this amazing blog website. Okay, you love it. I know you like it. So let us proceed. If you want to add more, you can just continue shopping to add more, but I just want to spend money on only these two items. So I will click continue to check out, and I have to fill in this billing address. So I'll pause the video and do that. Okay, so I'm done. I've added that information, so I have to click create new account. Okay, so I'm here. I have to pay the money. Okay, so what can I do? So here it says pay full balance. So I want to pay full balance. Okay, select the payment method, that is this. I will go with this one, which means I can pay with credit card, debit card, or mobile wallet. Okay, good. And if you want to save the card, you can save it. Okay, I want to save that. And what else? If you have a coupon code, you can apply it, but there's no coupon code, so please order. Okay, not only that, I have also received message on my phone through my email that I have to verify my accounts. So I will do that later. Here I will enter my mobile money number. Okay, so let me enter that, and I will click press confirmed, and they will send me a code which I have to approve it. Okay, so I have to enter my PIN here to confirm the payment, and I think I've done that. So I'm doing that on my phone right away. Okay, so I'm done, and within short time it's successful. Okay, good. Okay, so let's wait. So everything is automatic here. So successful, full payment for the order was received on September 3rd, and this is the information. Okay, so we have successfully paid for domain and hosting. Okay, so what can we do, or what else can I do? I have to go back and check. Let me go to my account. I'm going to check my invoice and other information here. So this is my account. So anytime you want to come to your dashboard, you can come here straight away. Okay, so I'm on my account. Now when you come to the products and services, when you click here, you'll be able to see what you have paid for. Okay, so this is the domain and the hosting that I've paid for. Okay, it's at product and services. Okay, good. And if you want to place new order, you can just click here and do that. If you want to, let's say somewhere along the way you are lost and you want to ask question or you need answers, you can just go to my official front page here and chat me on WhatsApp. Okay, with this I'll be able to get back to you as soon as possible. Or you can also open ticket, support ticket here. You can open support ticket, and then you enter your subject, then you add your message. Okay, and I'll be able to add a message, and I'll be able to get in touch with you. Okay, good. So let's come back here again. So let us continue. Right now, this is the product that I've paid for, and this is the first part of the video. Now the second part of the video, we are going to look at how to install WordPress. Okay, that's what the content management software that we are going to use. Okay, so to do that, click on the domain. Okay, click on the domain, sorry, the hosting. Okay, yeah, this is the hosting. This is your hosting. Okay, this is your hosting, and this is the domain. So I will click on the hosting. the domain and the hosting is linked together. When you click on that, you'll be able to see your name servers. Okay, yes, these are the name servers. Okay, good, the name servers. So all these are the name servers. Okay, good. Now we want to log into our control panel. Okay, we want to log into our control panel. So to do that, come back here and click log into Cpanel. Okay, good. Or you have another way of doing that. You can enter your domain name slash Cpanel, and it will take you to the Cpanel straight away. Okay, but that one, you enter your username and then your password. Okay, good. So let me show you this here. As you can see, current username user, that is this is the username Irida BL. That's the username. It has been created for me, and this is the Cpanel. Okay, so we are going to look at how to install WordPress, and then we will look at how to create a domain, email account. Okay, good. So first of all, to install WordPress, first of all, let's locate Softaclos app installer. This Softaclos, just click on that. Okay, and then we can see WordPress here. Click here. I will be moving fast so that, and then you have to select the domain you bought. Make sure that you select the one with HTTPS. Okay, select that, and then this is the domain. Okay, good. Don't mind this. It's okay. Don't worry about that. Just select that. Okay, make sure here is empty. There's nothing there, and this is the current version of WordPress. Okay, good. Let's go down. I'm going to fill this form, and after that then we'll continue. Okay, so I'm done filling the forms. You don't need to enter a lot of information here. The site name, I can just enter Radar blog. That's the name of the site. Here we can do that at WordPress, and then just enter your username, your password, and then the email. It has created an email for you, like puts any this just we have not created this email yet, but it has added to our account, so we can create that later. Okay, good. So let's go down here and click install. Okay, so within some seconds, let's say about 10 seconds, or let me say 20 seconds. Okay, so let's see. Good, it is done. So successfully we have installed WordPress. So now let's look at how to log into WordPress. Here you don't have to do anything. Here you can just straight away click here, and it will take you to the login page. Okay. Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course. That is, we have already installed WordPress. Okay, so right now what we are going to do is how to create an email account, because during the installation of WordPress, automatically an email account was added, and which we have not created the account yet, though it was added. That is admin@iridablog.com. okay, iridablog.xyz. sorry for that. And I'm going to create the account so that you'll be able to receive an email through that. So you go straight away to email accounts, and over here we can create email. This is our domain name. So here we have to select the name that we want to use. Is it admin or info? Because during the WordPress installation, admin was added already. So let's first create admin. So that is admin@iridablog.xyz. okay, and over here we will enter our password. So let me enter the password. Okay, so I've added the password. Okay, so I have to go down here and create it. Successful. Within some seconds, we can now visit our email account. So we have admin@iridablog.xyz. Let's visit the email account. So you click check email, and now we can now decide to, okay, so here we can just check this. so that next time I will allow that. Okay, so that next time it will open the email, our that is the inbox automatically for us. So just check this box and click open. Okay, good. So we are on our dashboard. This is the email that was sent to us. That is the during the account creation. I'm talking about email account creation. Okay, so this is our email account. You can test that. Okay, by sending it to our Gmail account and send it from Gmail account. Okay, just go ahead and test. We have a lot to do here, so I will close this. Okay, so now we have done that. Now let us log into our WordPress dashboard. Okay, so to do that, let's first of all, let me click here, so that, and now we are on our dashboard. We are on our dashboard now. So what we can do is, let's go down here and we can locate WordPress. We can use any of them. I will go with this. Okay, so in case some reason you have lost your password, you don't know how, you have forgotten your WordPress password, just log into your Cpanel and click here login to take you to your login page. So we are on our WordPress dashboard. Okay, so right now let's look at let's clean the dashboard. Okay, so I will remove that. Click here and remove all these. So we want to make sure that we have a clean dashboard, and then we can go to post, select this, delete this, then go here, empty it. We go to pages, select all page, bulk action, move to trash, apply. Then we go to trash here, then empty trash. You can now go to plugins. You can now go to plugins and delete all the plugins here. So click apply to delete all. Now let's go to appearance and then the theme. We have to delete all the unwanted theme. This is the active one. I can right click this and check it from here. This is the active one. Okay, so we can delete all these. Okay, so now we are done. Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course. Right now, what we are going to look at is we are going to look at the themes and the plugins that we are going to use for these tutorials. So I won't waste much time. I have a list here. This is the kind of theme that we are going to use. Okay, that's the name. Let's click here, add new. And let's go to, let me go up and click add new, and I will enter the theme name here. This, I don't know if, okay, this is the name. Okay, so this is the theme that we are going to use, this one. That's what we are going to use for now. Later I will make tutorials on others. So for now, this is the theme that we are going to use. Look at this theme. In fact, I love it. Look at the way this is moving, and this is like carousel. You can just click that to change it. Okay, it's so amazing. I love it. I really love this one. We are going to modify it. It's a free one, but there's a lot which I have to do. Okay, or I have to show you how to go about it. So I will activate that. Okay, good. Now I'm done with that. Let's get started with that. So just click on that. After that, you can just click this one and delete it. Okay, you don't need it. Oh, right now, let's go to themes again, and now I can click here and delete this one from here. Okay, good. So it left with the default one. Good. And let's see, let's go to plugins. Okay, so far so good. We are done with that. Okay, now we need to install Elementor. Okay, so let's add Elementor, and then I can just click here and enter that Elementor. Okay, good. And I will just click here to install that. Okay, good. We can also add this thing, this Elementor kit. Okay, so this one, let's install this Elementor kit, Elementor Adams. Okay, so and then let me activate it. Okay, so I can also activate this. Okay, so straight away I can just close this. We don't need all that. Okay, good. So we are on our dashboard. Okay, now after installing the new theme, let's look at our front end. And now you see we have a different interface here. Okay, can just click that to change. Okay, one thing I don't like about this theme is it has this and this copyright unless you pay for the product or else, but I will show you how to remove that. Okay, so right now we are done with the installation of themes and plugins. Our next tutorial, what we are going to look at, let's look at how to add a blog post. Okay, how to add a blog post. Okay, so to do that, let's go here. So to add a blog post, come here and click that. Okay, so I will come here and click add new. I want to use some of the posts here. Okay, so I will just click here. Though it's a dummy text, but I still need a text. Okay, I will first of all, so this is the main page. I will copy this title. Okay, and come back here. Let me close that and add the title here. Good. I will go there and copy the remaining text. Okay, so come on, it's okay. Let me copy the rest here and come back here and paste it. So this here we are looking at how to add a blog post. Okay, it's not that difficult, just follow along. Okay, and then this is about health, how to live a healthy life. So we are going to add what do you call it, the categories. Okay, but first of all, let me save this to draft. I do not publish it. I've saved it to draft. Okay, save it to draft. Now let's go back here. We are going to create categories. Okay, so what are the categories? I mean, you have to think about where you want to, I mean, the area that you want to cover. Okay, are you going to blog about only news updates for politicals or entertainment? So look at where you want to cover. Okay, but what I can tell you right now is only, I mean, do something that's you something that you have passion for. Okay, don't just go into blogging because you have heard that people are making money out of that, so you want to make money. In the first place, maybe you are not good in writing. When it comes to writing, you are not all that good. Okay, your English is not that good. Like, okay, so I hope you understand that. To be honest with me, I'm not good when it comes to writing a lot and blogging about, or it's all about writing lengthy, giving good something that people will enjoy reading. Okay, not boring stuff, something that will make people leave your site as soon as possible, not something like that. Okay, so I will advise you to just search for something that you have passion for. Okay, you see, I've been in this industry for a while. I'm doing great things because I love doing that, even though I love it. Okay, I love it. It's part of me. It's something that I can't stop doing. Even if I'm not getting money out of that, I will still be teaching people how to design amazing websites, how to do all sorts of things for free. Okay, so that's because I have passion for that. So let's move on. So here I would advise you to just look for something that you have passion for and do it. Don't look at the monetary part of it. Okay, so let's go to categories, and then we are going to add the categories. Let's say I will be blogging about political. If you know you can't get information, I will not blink the news, just political. Okay, and then click add. So it has been added. Then what's let's say general news. Okay, general one. Okay, let me add the news because general looks okay. General news, meaning I'll be blogging about different things. Okay, the entertainment, I hope the spelling is correct. Okay, it's wrong, so I have to oh, come on. Okay, so this is the correct one. I'll add that. And what else? Lifestyle. Okay, how you, lifestyle, living a healthy life. So lifestyle. Okay, so I will enter that and save it. And then what else? Lifestyle, political, entertainment, and also tech. I'll be blogging about tech. Okay, something that has to do with technology. Okay, blogging, website, and so on and so forth. And then what else? Also, okay, so we have done it. Sports. Okay. Yes. The last time I was chatting with someone, he said something that I was surprised. He said something like he enrolled in a certain course, and they told him that if you go if you are going to blogging and you look at that is the sports area, the money that you'll be getting from Google will not be enough. It will be small. You'll be getting something. So when I'm so, wow, who told you that? No, blogging is about doing what you love. Okay, so if you are, when it comes to the sports area, that's where you are good at. Why do you have to listen to this lie? No, it's not true. Google, they only show advert to website visitors. Okay, for instance, if I visit a site, a particular site, the kind of advert that I will see, when you go there, you will not see that advert, because I have been searching a lot on that area. So Google will only show an advert of things that I love. Okay, they will only show things that they think I may need. Okay, that's what they will show to me. So what they will show to me, it will be the same as what they will show to you. That's all about. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, let us continue on. So we have added sports and entertainment, and then I think that is all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 is okay. That's what I have in mind now. Okay, so we are done with that. Let's go back and continue with our post. So let's go to our post, and then you see the draft one. Let's click edit, and then in here we can now select the category. Okay, you can select category for that. Let's see, we have category. When you click on that, it will pop up, and uncheck this one and select lifestyle, healthy life. So let's select lifestyle, and we need to add an image, featured image. Okay, an image that will display nicely like this one. As you can see, it has a nice image here. Okay, good. So we have to add that. So we need to click here. I think I have some image on my computer. Let me go and let me search some for my PC. Okay, so I'll go here and go to, I think okay, it's blog. Okay, so okay, healthy life. Let me select this one, open it, and I can now insert it. Okay, good. So make sure you write nicely something good. Okay, for the paragraph, I'll be adding about 3 blogs before we proceed. So let's move on. Can then click here, publish, and now it's live. Let's click here to view it. Okay, so this is our blog post. So we are going to make it look nice here. You see, we don't have a nice stuff here. but when you look at this one, we have so many good things here. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that, don't worry. Okay, so we have added our, and the text too is too big. It's not looking good at all, but look at this one, it's very nice. So we are going to look at how to change all these things. Okay, so let me go back to our dashboard. We are going to add another blog post. This is a simple way of adding blog posts, and let's go add new again. This time I'm going to show you a styling way of adding a blog post. Okay, so now let me click one of them, this one. Okay, I'm going to copy from this post. Can promise upcoming live show. Okay, so I will select Can Promise upcoming live show. Select that, come here and paste it as a title. Come here and copy that. Okay, come on, let me copy that, but this time I'm going to show you something. Let me paste that. Okay, this is the first paragraph. Okay, and then second paragraph I want to make it in a styling way, so I will look for column. Just click CO and you have these columns, and I will go with this one 50-50. Okay, so I'm going to paste an image here, so click the plus icon and select image, and then upload. Select upload, or you can just, so maybe I want to add Can Promise here, so I'll have his picture here, and after that I can now click here again and select paragraph. It means I have to add text here. Okay, and then so let me go here. I need a short one, not all that long. Okay, so I'll copy this one. I think this one is even long, it's too long, but let's see. I'll paste it here. Good, I think it's looking nice. Good, so let me delete the first line. So we have added another text here. After that I can just come down here and select the paragraph again and paste another and write another post here. So you see, I hope you are getting it. Okay, good. So you see, nice one. It may happen that your post may have a subheading. Okay, this is the main heading and then subheading. Okay, so which means that I can come here and click here, then select another heading. Okay, and this time I will make it, okay, H2 is okay. The first one is H1, so this one is H2. Okay, so what that is, okay, so let's say live concert at Accra Sports Okay, something of that sort. I just want to, so this one will be your, it's like your second your sub heading. Okay, and I can just go down here and then add the text. Okay, I can just keep on adding it, writing it. You can also add, you can add as many, but one thing that you have to understand is that when you're writing a blog post, it shouldn't be less than 500. Okay, the list is supposed to be around 800 words. Okay, good. So after that, let me come back here. You click here, the post. We are going to select the category is entertainment, and then the featured image. We can now go there and select, let me see, I want to select the same Can Promise. Okay, good. And the tag, you can add tag. Okay, tag is just any keyword, is entertainment. Okay, so I can just even add Can Promise. So, and then click that is, after that you can just enter comma and it will create that. Okay, Good. You can add as many as you can. Yeah, okay, that is okay. So after that, I can click publish, and let's view this post. View the post. Good. As you can see, it's looking nice. Okay, view the post. So we have, these are the posts. Okay, yeah, it's very nice. It's very nice. Okay. Okay, so right now what we are going to do, you see the image that I added at the middle. This is the image, and I think it's good. It's good. Okay, so this is what we are going to do now. I've taught you how to add a blog post. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and complete and add more blog posts. Okay, after that we will continue on from there. Okay, so for now I've added about 6 blog posts, and so let's go to the back end here. Let me refresh the page and let's see. Okay, so this is what we have, and it's not looking all that good, so we are going to modify it. It has as a compared to this one, I think it's not looking all that best. Let me go to the front page, and this one, let me click on the logo, and then you see, let's see this one. Okay, and then we don't see that here, the menus, and I think so we are going to modify it. Okay, so now we have added a blog post, so we are going to look at this, the next tutorial. Our next step is how to add a menu. As you can see, this one, it has a nice menu here. We are going to do that. Okay, so let's get started, and then we have a nice, okay, so let's move on. Let's go to our dashboard here and go to appearance, menus. Okay, so we will first create our first menu. We can make it main menu, and then after that just select the primary one and click create. Okay, good. Okay, so first we are going to use the categories to create the first page here. So we are going to use the categories for this one. Okay, so let's come back, let's go to here, and then let's come back to categories. Because we have added posts, that's why you can see it here, but if you have not, you will not see it here. In that case, if you want to see all the list of categories that you have added, so if there is no post added to that category, it will not appear. So you have to come here, then you see all the categories, select all. You want to check the on category on this one. You will check this one, check this, then add the rest. Okay, so here you can rearrange it based on your preference, which one you want to be on top. Entertainment, general one, entertainment, and then the rest. So I will click here to save. Now after that, when I click here, I'll be able to see it here. Okay, so as you can see, it's here. Okay, good. So let's move on. What else can we do? We need, when you look at the sample site here, we have about here and the contact. Okay, where our readers can reach out to us. Okay, I did not add a post, but I'll show you how to do that in this tutorial. Including the contact, I will show you how to do that. Okay, so let's go back here, and now first let's create those pages first. Add new, so go to pages and add new. So we have about, so before Google approve your website, you need to have an about page which will talk about you, the person behind the whole website, and then the contact page. Okay, it's very important. Okay, these are some of the things that Google will look at it and consider, and maybe will approve on your site. I'll walk you through how you can apply the Google AdSense. Okay, good. And there's the conditions. As I'm recording the video, I'll be talking about the conditions that Google will be checking before they will approve your website. Okay, good. So then we have added about, contact us, And one thing is, your domain shouldn't be less than 6 months. Okay, so make sure first buy the domain, create your website as I'm doing right now, start adding content, keep on adding content, share your content on social media and get more traffic on your site. Okay, so when it's about, let's say, 4 months to 5 months, 6 months, then if you have enough traffic on your website, if you have been getting daily website visits, which is quite enough, which is quite good, then you can apply for Google AdSense and Google will automatically accept that. Okay, that's the condition that you need to fulfill. Okay, so I've added the contact page. We also need the legal pages. Okay, that is the privacy policy and then terms of conditions. If you don't have these pages, Google will not accept you to take part in the AdSense. So we have terms and conditions. Okay, oh sorry, so I will just publish that. Good. I will show you how you can create all those pages, how you can add the content. Okay, then we have the privacy policy. So I can click here to publish it. Okay, good. So these are the pages that I need. Okay, so let's go down here and go to menus again, and over here I can create a new page, and I will name that as top menu. Okay, so I will just click that. Okay, so after that I will select the top, and then I will select about and contacts and add that. So about will come first, followed by contacts, then I will save it. Okay, now we need to add another, that is legal page. So I'll go to create a new menu. Okay, so I can now enter legal menu. Good, that's where we'll be adding our terms and conditions and the rest. Okay, so over here let me select the footer, and then I will select the 2 posts here and add that. Okay, so terms and conditions first, followed by privacy policy. You can make it privacy policy first, it depends. That is you can decide what to do. Okay, this is not all that important, so let me refresh the page and let's see. As you can see, these pages has been added. I don't like here to be black. We are going to change it, okay, to modify it, even the text, any of the text here that you want to change. So far so good. We have added some posts and here and there. Okay, so we need to, let's check the black and white one. It's looking amazing. So we need to make change to the colors. Okay, so to do that, let's go to customize. Now after that, we need a tool to pick colors. Okay, color picker. Let me see, I think I don't have it here. Okay, so let me search for that. Let's see. Okay, so let me click here so that it will take me to Chrome extension. I need a color picker to pick colors. Okay, so just enter color 0. This one is good, it's quite good, but over here they have a different one, I don't know, but this one has a lot of that is comments, okay, or review. So I will add this, add extension, Okay, so it has been added. Okay, good. So I can, yeah, as you can see, it's there. Can click here to okay, so it will appear here. So I will then remove that. Good. Remove this. And now we are here. Sorry, we are here. Okay, so in order to do that, this is after clicking the customize. We are here. Let's go to general and let's see what we can do here. Site. This is the layout. To me, don't change anything here. The loader. When we are trying to open the site in a private window, sometimes we do see. Okay, let me open it so that you understand what I'm talking about. So you see this reading. Okay, this we can do it here. That is, as you can see. So this one is a default one. It's okay with me. Social icons. We want to have social icons here, as we do have this. So what we are going to do is, in the initial stage, Twitter has been added already, so we can add more. I can click here and then select the icon Facebook. Good, and add another one. You can also click here again, click here and locate one of the icon that I want to add, WhatsApp. So you can keep on adding it, you see. Okay, good. So to me it's good. The three of them is okay. Let's go to typography. Here we have only we don't have much. I mean, we can't change a lot here, so let's go with open. Okay, so this one is okay. Good, and the width and the rest is okay. Now let's go to heading. Heading to, let's go with pin. Okay, good. So I've done that. Let's go back here. This one is not that important. Okay, so let me click next over there and continue. And then we have typography. I think we have done that. Let's go to post. Publish date, default WordPress, so it's okay. Let's maintain that. Sidebar layout. This one, to me, this one is the best option. Okay, so let's maintain that. Screw top, this one. You see most of the website, I'm talking about this one. Click on that, it will take you to top. So which one do you want to go for? The default one is okay. Okay, good. So what else? The colors. You can change the website colors here. Okay, and there is a primary color. I don't want that. I want the primary color to be something different, something unique. So I will select this one. Let me click the color 0 here, and then I can just click here to select the color that I want to use. Okay, so the primary color I will go with oh, come on. So, and paste. Good, this color, and I think it's good. It looks nice. Link color, and I will give the same for link color. So I'll paste that. Okay, good. So that we have the black text and this one over. Okay, so I will publish it. Now I can then go back here and open it in a new tab. Let's see. Okay, good. It's looking good. You'll get there soon. Okay, so let's go back again. Let's go back here and then color categories. I think these are very okay. It's okay. Categories, in case if you want to change the background of the categories, as you can see, we have this here. To me, I think we need something hot like this. So let me come back here and paste it in, or you can just add different colors to different category. Okay, so I don't have time to do that, so I'm using the same color for all the categories background. Okay, and then the last one will be tech. Okay, good. So I've added that. Okay, please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course. Let us continue with the tutorials. So far so good, you are doing great. Okay, now let me tell you something. In fact, people are making a lot of money from this web designing. Okay, I don't know why you're watching this video. Whether you want to create a website for your, let's say you want to create a blog website to manage your own blog website, that is fine. But in case if you have a motive to become a professional website designer, then I would advise you to just invest. Okay, invest in it, because in this world, whatever you want to achieve in life, you have to invest. If you are thinking about money, I'm not talking about only money. Investing can be a lot. Okay, that is your time. Spending time learning is part of it, and also resources and money. Okay, now let me give you this scenario. In fact, I don't charge all that much. Okay, for instance, if I'm designing a website for for instance a school website, that is around 4,000 to 5,000 for school websites alone. But if it is just ordinary website like like a blog website or portfolio website, that is around 1,500. Good. Now for school websites, if I'm free, if I don't have anything, if I have to spend that is about 12 hours in each day, within 2 days, if I have all the resources at disposal, all the resources are ready, within 2 days to 3 days, 2 days, at least 2 days, I'll be able to complete the school management system. And I will charge the person 4,000 to 5,000. It depends the negotiation. Okay, so let me ask you this question. Have you already spent about 1,000 in learning how to design websites? We are not charging. Okay, I'm giving the tutorial for free, but there is a certain thing that you need in order to become a successful web designer. That is, you see, getting the rare experience, learning. Okay, some people even find it difficult just to buy domain and the hosting to start learning. I will not waste time talking about what you need to do. Just you have to think well. Okay, if you want to be successful, you need to invest your time, money, whatever you have, not huge amount of money, but never give up. Be serious, keep on fighting, and you will get there. Now let's move on. Now, in order to log into your WordPress dashboard, this is what you need to do. Just come here and enter /wp-admin. Okay, this admin is below this video, so your domain name /wp-admin, and click enter. It will take you to the login page where you can enter your username or email and the password. That's it. I've already done that, and I'm here. Okay, so we are going to continue from here. Right now, what we are going to look at it is the header here. Now let's look at the sample site. It has a blue here, it has this color here. Okay, so I don't like this black. I want to go with this, since we are designing the same site. So what I will do is I'll go to customize. Okay, so here let's go down here. We have done with the header. Okay, so let the header area, okay, here, so here. Okay, we want to change that. Let's see, I think I don't have the color. Let me use the color picker to pick that color. Okay, so I think Good. So let's come back here. I will just click here, clean this one and paste that. Okay, now we have that color. I can now publish it and go down, go back. Everything is okay with the time. If you want to make it that's, see, so that it will be the full one, I want to close the time. Okay, I don't know, to me time is not all that important here. So the dates, oh sorry, the date and time. Oh, okay, so I cannot, I have to maintain the two of them. Okay, okay, good. So I will publish that and leave. Okay, good, straight away. And then we have that is the header image. If you want to put an image here, I don't want to put an image. Okay, I just want to have that simple there. Here I have added a logo, but this one you can even decide to keep that. Okay, you can click here. Instead of having it as small letters, I can just put or you can click here and add your logo, but I will go with, I will make it capital letters, then I will enter reader blog here so that it will look nice over there. For this one, the tagline, we will add that later, but we don't have to display that. We are not going to display that. We have to disable that. Okay, okay, since we cannot close this without that. Okay, and the tagline, definitely we will add a tagline, so it means that we have to add a logo. So let me click here and click here. Let's see if I still have the logo on my PC. Okay, this is the logo, this is the logo, this is the logo. Okay, so I think I have it here. So I will select that and let me look at the size. I have to let me see if I can reduce. Okay, good. So I can just click here and reduce it. If you need a logo, go to Canva. Okay, go to Canva. Okay, I have a video on that. Let me click crop. Now when you go to YouTube, just go to YouTube and then let me show you. Yeah, I have a tutorial on how to get the Canva Pro. Okay, follow that video and you're good to go. You get the Canva Pro. Okay, so that you'll be able to enjoy designing. Okay, yeah, you need tools in order to become a successful web designer, and I'm giving it to you for free. Okay, so just enter Irida TV. Okay, let's see, and there's a tutorial on Canva, which I think it will help you to become successful. Okay, this is a video. Okay, so this is a video. Okay, just come here and search for this video and follow it. You'll be able to know how to get Canva Pro for free. Okay, now let us continue on. Okay, good. So I've added that. Oh, let's see. Let me check it again. I think, oh sorry. Okay, so let me select it again. So here, let me reduce that and click crop here, crop the image. Good, and as you can see, good. So let me save that. So now when you disable this, it will not affect the whole thing. You need to disable that. We don't need that anymore. But later I will show you. Here you can, the tagline is about giving a short brief about your website. Okay, so that's a reader blog. It's a reader blog is we educate, we give you information, latest news about political, entertainment, sports. You have to say something about what you do over here. Simple as that. I don't have time to write those things, and I'm a little bit slow in typing, so let's move on. Let's see if there's something that needs to change here. It's okay. Okay, good. So let's go down here. We have main area. I think we have this subscribe button here, so you can just enter your link here. So for instance, as I have YouTube account here. Okay, so this is my YouTube account. This is my YouTube account, so I can just come here and select and copy the link, and then what can I do? I can just come back here and paste the link here. and save that. Okay, good. Let me go down. Good. That is all. Okay, so we have added the link. Okay, now you can come here. Let's see. This is a sample site. Okay, this is a sample site. Then it means that we have to reopen this one so that be able to follow what we are doing. Okay, so I will enter it here. Okay, so this is the one that we are designing, so I will bring it here so that we'll be able to follow what we are doing. Okay, so if someone click here, it will take the person to your link. Okay, or what? Okay, so let me close that. Okay, good. So we are here. Let us continue. Let's go down. Let's see if there's something which. Okay, so we are done with that part. Primary header. Okay, it's okay. So let's go down. Advertisements. In case if you want to add advert banner here, so that you can just advertise someone's product. Okay, for instance, let's say very soon I will introduce affiliate program on my that is eradarhost.com website. That's the web hosting platform. Later within very soon I will introduce affiliate program. Okay, so in that case you can come here and add your affiliate link. Okay, so in that case you can come here and add your affiliate link and the banner. Okay, so the banner will show on top of your website. So when someone click on the banner, it will take the person to your website, something of that sort. So this is where you'll be advertising product. It can be your own product, okay, by sharing the link here or something of that sort. Let's move on. And then news sticker here, breaking news. If you want to make it hot news, hot seat, whatever you want to put here, it will appear here. Simple as that. Because we are using free the free one, there's a lot of limitation. Okay, yeah, we won't get access to a lot of things. Okay, cool. So we are done with that so far. Front end, the banner. Okay, so we have latest post. The slide here, it will display latest post, or we can select a certain category. Okay, I think latest post is okay, so it will only display the latest post here. Okay, so let's move on. Post ordered by. How do you want the post to appear on your site? According to that's the newest first, then you can do that. You can just do it any way you like it. Okay, so let's go down. So far so good. Gradually single page or this page. Okay, so here you can just make preference on what to do. To me, list classic. Okay, so let's see. Let's look at the list. A classic. There's the classic. Let me save that and let's look at how. Okay, so this is. Let's go to. Let me refresh the page here. And this is the classic one. You see, it's different. It's like. Okay, so let's change it to different one. Grip. It was list. Okay. So the first one was the grip one. Let's look at the list one and look at it. No, it's not good at all. So let's go with the grip one. I think there's the best. That's the best one. Okay, so the same thing applies to single post. Do you want to have it as full or sidebars? It depends. So you can just check it. I think to me the default one is okay, and then session. That's a session title. Related post. Okay, it's okay. So let's go back and then 4 we don't need, but we will not change anything. Footer, you come to the footer. Okay, we are not going to use the footer. You redesign the footer with Elementor, so we are not going to use that. So leave this one, is not important, or these are not important. Okay, because of the copyright we will not be able to use this footer, so we will change it. Okay, don't worry. Let's go down here, menus. Okay, so we have the menus here. Okay, the top menu, the one that we have already added. Widget. Okay, so widget here, we are going to look at how to make some changes here. Okay, so that is the sidebar. When you look at the sidebar, what do we have here? Let's go to a single post like this one, and let's see what is here. Okay, recent post. Okay, just recent post, and as you can see, we have recent post here. I think we should add something nice, something good. Okay, so we are going to change that. So under recent posts here, let's change that. Okay, let's change that. I will delete it. Okay, we need to add that, but let's see. Post. Okay, over here, let's click browse all, so that we'll be able to see all the list, and I will show you what I'm looking for. Okay, good. This is what I'm looking for. So we have trending one, latest post, author page. Okay, so let's go with this one. That's the latest post. Okay, so good. The latest post, let's drag this, let's take this one to the top. Okay, so let's take it up. Okay, so on top of this here is okay. So the latest post, though we cannot see the preview. Random, we want to go with a random one, and then that is, it will be latest post, and that is how many posts? 5. Let me save that. As you can see, you can now see the post. Okay, good. So that is nice. That's why we have over here, see, I have that here. Okay, you see I have that here. So we are going to save that. I've done that. So let me refresh this. You see, we will be able to get that. Okay, good. So now we have the latest post here. Okay, displaying. We can leave comments, the archive posts, categories. So let's bring the categories to the next. That is, we want the category to fall under this one. Okay, so that the comments will go down. So the category, I will select that, and then I will use this to move it up. Okay, I think it cannot go further. Okay. Oh, the title is here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let me see. Let's see if I can move both. No, it's not moving. So let's, oh, come on. Okay, so I'll move this one up. I'll come here and move this one to up. Okay, good. Then I will come here, move this one up. Let's go down and select the title too and move it up. Good. So we are going up, one after the other. Okay, good. So I will just click there, up again. Then I will go down, select the title and move it up. Okay, good. Okay. So let's see if you can put this one under it. Oh, come on. Oh. Okay, so let's let me send this one back. Okay, good. Now I think we need to, this one is supposed to be on top of that. Okay, so now category is here, and then the comments. I want to remove the comment from here. Okay, I don't need that at the front. And then the title too, you have to remove it. Good. And now I can publish that. Okay, so now let me come here and refresh the page. As you can see, it's very nice, but we need to remove that from there. This one, we can even add the altar. Okay, the altar, let's click browse all, but we will not put it there, okay, because we want people to see what we have, but not no, it's okay. So let me delete this from there. So I will delete that. Okay, so now we have that. So we have the search bar followed by latest posts, then categories, and then the archives. Okay, I think it's the best. Now let me refresh the page here and let's see. Okay, so that's the sidebar, and I think it's looking good. Okay, now when we check it on dark mode, it's looking nice. Okay, then we can check it on the tablet, on the white one. Okay, good. So let me click here so that it will take us back to the home page, and when we go down here, we still have the categories that we have added. Okay, and to me this one is okay. It's looking good. Okay, it's looking good. So what else now? What we are going to do right now is also something different, something nice. Let's come back here. Let me show you something. When you come here, this is a sample site, right? Let's use the dark mode. When I click here, then you will see my picture. This is actually not my picture. Okay, yeah, this, let's say it's my picture, my name, something short about me, and then what else? Okay, good. I can even add my contact number. So let's add that. Okay, and then that's its author name. My name is here. So I think I made a mistake by adding another name here. Okay, so let's work on that. Okay, good. So let me go back here. Let's see, header sticky sidebar. So the header sticky sidebar, we are talking about this one. Okay, this is the header sticky sidebar. Okay, good. And so under here, the sidebar, so actually we first went to the widget, and then we have done with the sidebar. Okay, so we are moving to this sidebar. We are not using it, so there's no need for us to, so we can go with the header sticky sidebar. Let me click here, and we can click browse all to locate what we are looking for. Okay, so here when we look through, we will see that's the author profile. Okay, so let me click that, and it has been added. Good. Let's see what we can get from here. The title, that is I will use my name as a title. Okay, my name is here. Okay, so I will just write about me. Okay, good. I can select a picture. Okay, something that will represent me, or can select my picture. Okay, so let me look through here if I can get a picture of someone. I don't know. Okay, so let's look through it. Okay, so let me use this guy, the same person. Let me upload it. Okay, I think the picture is too long, but all the same, I don't have time, so let's move on. Okay, good. Okay, so what else? Now I've added that. Good. So I have to go down here, and my name I have to put it here. Author name, Amwakon, and next. Okay, good. Let me save that. Okay, good. Okay, so here the bio, I can now add my bio. Okay, yes, I can add my bio. So since I don't have anything right now, I'll copy this. Okay, so this is like my bio. So let me click on that and paste it here. Okay, good. What else? So that's my bio. Okay. Okay, so the link, if you want to add a link which will take you to maybe a certain site, I will enter reader.com. That is my food view website. Let me save it and let us come back here and refresh the page. Okay, so after refreshing the page, let's see. I'll click here and you see my picture is there. You see this picture was too long. Okay, that's why it's half of it has been cut off. Okay, and then my name is here. Very simple about me. It's very nice. Okay, very nice. I don't like this. I think the about is not at the center. Let me see if I can make it center line. Okay, oh, it will not work, but let me try and drag it at the center. Okay, let's see. Okay, show more. Oh, it will not work. Oh, it will not work. So I have to use CSS to do that, and I don't have time. Okay, so let's move on. Let me refresh the page. And now I can just click here and see still there. Okay, so that is it. I'm done with that. But if you want to add, let me see if I can add my social. Okay, I've added this thing. I don't have any column to add any other information. Okay, that is all. So we are done with that. Let me go back. Okay, so let me go back. Good. Now, so let's see footer. We don't need all these footer because we are going to make use of that is, we are going to use Elementor to build the footer. Okay, so we don't need that. Home page settings, latest post is okay. Let's display latest post. Okay, CSS, we are going to add a CSS to this part. Okay, we have complete the other part. Now let me show you something. Let's come back to this post and let's look at the front end here. Let's say, let me open here and let's look at the post and compare. Look at the text here, and now let me open this one and we are going to compare the text. Okay, the font size, and let's see. I think this one is looking nice, but this one is too bold. Wow, it's not looking good at all. Okay, it's not looking good at all, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course. Okay, so let us continue with the tutorials. Right now we are going to look at the font size. Okay, you see, this is a free we are using a free theme, and with this free theme we don't have that customization, like we can't change the font size. Okay, so we are going to use CSS to change that. Now let's look at our website once again. This is the sample site. Okay, and this is the site that we are working on. Okay, and as you can see, the two of them are looking great. Okay, good, but we don't have any there is no way we can change. Let me go to the dashboard and check from the theme. Okay, blog, let's look here, dashboard, and over here let's see if you can. Okay, the fonts, so let's see if you'll be able to, I don't know, I'm not sure, but let's see if you can change. You see, you need a provision to do that. Okay, yeah, to do that. Apart from that, okay, let's see, we have good, we can change, and then that's fonts, does it. Okay, so whether we want to make it small or big, whether to increase the size, we don't have that. Okay, we can't do that here, and it says that font, yeah, we don't have that. There's no way we can do that. Okay, let's go to post. Let's see if you can. No, there's nothing here. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard and let's see if okay, fonts, banner, that is all. I think we don't have, yeah, that is all. So let's look at how to do that. Okay, how to do that. So straight away, first of all, so what we are going to do is let's go back here. Let's go back to the front end here. So we are going to get a code. Okay, I have the code. Okay, so to get access to the code, go to radar.com. Okay, the link is below this video. Okay, go to radar.com. This is my official website and at the same time e-learning platform. If you want to learn how to design websites, just come here. We have added so many courses here that you can learn for free. Okay, good. So go to blog. So under here, go to blog. Okay, so under blog, you see this, creating a profitable blog website with WordPress. So select that. Okay, okay, so we are here now. Let's go down here. Let's go down. You see this. Okay, this is the code. Download the CSS code, this one. I would advise you to go through this, read through the blog, because since we want to go into blogging, you need to know a lot. Okay, so read about this post. It will help you. There's a lot of information that we can get here which will help you in your journey. Okay, so download the CSS. I already have that, so just click here and it will download it for you. Okay, you'll be able to download it. Okay, so let's wait, and so you can go ahead and download it. Okay, I will not do that because I already have it here. And so all that you need is very simple, just shorts. Just copy that. Okay, copy it. Now let me close this and close that too, and I will close. Okay, let me leave it. So come here. This is the website that we are working on. Okay, as you can see, the font size is too much. When you open this, you see that it's too big here. Okay, so we let's go down here. You see it's too big, so let's apply the CSS. Let's see. Okay, so go down here, drag it down and click additional CSS. Okay, so let me drag this up. Let's see what will happen after adding the code. So I will just click here and add the code. You see it has reduced. Okay, if you think it's still not small enough for you, let's click the 16 and make it, you see, and make it 15. By 15 I think it's not advisable, so I'll go with the 16. Okay, so this is there. Just add it, and after that publish it. Okay, now let's come back here and refresh the page and let's see. Let me click it again, and as you can see, it's now looking good. Okay, it's looking good. Okay, good. So that's all. To me, it's looking nice. Okay, okay, so we have that. Okay, everything is looking perfect. Everything is looking good to me. I love it. So we have added the CSS. Okay, now what else? Now it's left with just the footer. Okay, let me click the logo so that we can go to the front page. And now let's go back to the footer. We have this copyright, and when we go to the settings, we don't have any, another way, or there's no way we can remove that. Okay, even if we delete all from there, we will still have that here. Okay, so let me refresh the page. You still have this copyright. You see, it's still there. Okay, there's no way we can remove it. So I'm going to show you. We are going to use we are going to use Elementor. Okay, we are going to use Elementor to design the footer. Okay, simple as that. So let's go to the dashboard, or let me click here. We are here. Let's go to plugins, and first let's look if you have already installed Elementor. Okay, so I think it's out of date, so let me update this. We are going to use free version of Elementor, so that is Elementor and Element Kits. Okay, these are the two plugins that we are going to use to design the footer. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's go to here. Let's select this plugin, Element Kit, select that and select header footer. Okay, so let's select that, and after that we are going to use that to design the footer. Very simple to do. Okay, so I think first we need to complete the setup. So let's go to next, and then next again, and then next, then save. Okay, so we are done. Okay, good. So we are here. Okay, so let's go to header footer again, and over here let's click on footer. We need to add new, select footer here. Entire website is okay. If you want to select, you need a provision, so I can just say main footer. You can just give it any name. Okay, there is no need. Now you select activate, then you click edit. So we are now going to edit the footer. Okay, so I will just reduce. The screen is too small, so I'm not getting this, so I have to reduce it. So right now I can now click here to remove that, and after that I can just take it back. Good. So what do? Here straight away, we are not going to waste time here. Let's click here and import demo content. Okay, that will speed up our work. So let's go to sessions, and over here we can search for, okay, we already have footer here. So all these are footers that we can use for free. One is here, this is another one. That is footer that we can use for free. Okay, this footer. Okay, so all these, you can use any of these for free. Okay, good. Okay, I think this one is mega menu. Okay, yeah, it's mega menu. This footer header. Okay, so let's see. Let me go with this one. We can go with this, or I can go with this one. Okay, looking at the nature of our website, let's go with this. Okay, let's go with this one. Okay, good. So it has been added, but this we can now change this copyright to the name of the blog. So we can make it delete this and make it Irida blog. Okay, good. Here we can change the year and make it that is 23. Good, and save that. Here let's click here. There is margin that we need to close. Okay, so we have this one, delete this one is okay. Okay, good. What else can we do? Okay, let's look at our website color. We have this color. Okay, I think I want to put that one at the footer too, so I will use this the color picker here to select this color. Okay, so I have that. So let me go down here, and now I want to change this. Click here, and here I can just paste that. Okay, good. So I have that over there. Here too, you can just I will not add that, but let's see. Let me go here, button, and here too I can just click here and paste this one. Okay, good. So far so good. You're killing it. Okay, so here you can change it and replace it with your own logo. Okay, this is mine. Okay, so I will place it with my logo. You can just write something short about you, about yourself. I don't have time to do that, so I will not do it. Okay, so here we can change. Let me delete the heading here. Then we can add our own post link. So we can search for about, and then what else? This one too, I will delete the heading from there. Sorry, here. Okay, good. And then I will search for contacts. Then the next one, this one is the next one, the third one, which is there is nothing. Okay, it has no title. Let's see. Okay, so this one too, I will go for privacy policy. Okay, good. And I think it has a heading here that I need to delete. Good, so that's to remove that. Now I want to add a terms and condition too, so I will double check this and change it from here and select privacy terms and condition. So I've added all the 4 pages. Right now this one I only need one, so I think I want to delete this. Oh, come on. Oh, okay, so I have only 2 here. To me it's okay. Okay, the icons too, you can just click on it to make it appear. Okay, so now it's okay, so you can just add your link. Okay, add a link. Good. So here I want to change the color, the background color here, so I will go with black. Okay, let me go with this color, the color here. So this black color, let me select that. Good. So it has been selected. I will come here and change it to that black color. Okay, good. So now let's see, let's come back here and let me refresh the page. Now let me go down here. So there's no copyright here. Okay, everything is looking nice. No copyright. Okay, no copyright. Everything is looking perfect. But this color, this black color, it has combined. I mean, we cannot see the differences between the two of them, so we need to separate this. Okay, let's change this one a little bit. Okay, so I think I've changed it. I've made it 000. So let me refresh the page. If you'll see differences here. I think, yeah, you can see that, right? Yes, you can see that. Yes, you can see it. I think it's okay now. So everything is looking perfect, so amazing. Okay, but let's look at the footer. When you go to this one, the footer, it has this recent post. There's no recent post here. Okay, so let's add that. Okay, good, so that it will look nice. So then we will duplicate this one once again. Okay, so let me duplicate this. Good. So in that case, I will rather remove that. Okay, so we have this here. Let me drag this. Good, so that this won't be large enough, and drag this one too, so that you will get okay, so it's now okay. Okay, so let's look at something. Now when you look at the sample site, let's go to the footer, and I'm going to show you something. You see over here we have the recent post, okay, where we have there's about 3 of them with their pictures. They are featured pictures or featured image. So let's do the same here. So over here too, we are going to add that here. Okay, so let's just enter post list. So post list, we'll go with this one, pick it and drop it here. So we will have the post first. We have to select recent. You can select the popular one, but it will not work. Why? Because with the popular one, you don't have, what do you call it? With the popular one, you can only get the popular one if the blog post is already there and people have been going through. So the one which has received a lot of comment and review becomes the popular one. Okay, so right now what we are going to do is we need a recent one. Okay, so just select the recent one. You see we have the selected post category. You can just go by categories. Okay, but I want the recent post to appear here. And then not only that, I also need pictures, image, and then 5 is too much. Post list, so let's make it 3. And so we have to come here and check the featured image. Okay, and then the ratio. Okay, so this is the featured image and that is the size. To me, we can make it like 300 by 300. Yeah, I think it's okay, or we can make it full. Okay, so what else can we do? Let's see, background featured image. No. So we have added the featured image with the background. No, I will remove that. So let's go here. We have to change the text color to white. So let's go down here and go to text, and here we will make it white, and we can even reduce the size, okay, to let's say 18. Oh, 18 is too much. Okay, no. So the size, text, the title is now 13, 14. Okay, 15 is okay. Let's make it 14. Good. And what else can we do here? Let's look at where we hover it so that the color will be something nice, different. Oh, come on, it's not working. Okay, so you can just select the color so that, yes, something like this is okay. So I will save it. So far so good. So we are done with the footer. Okay, we are done with the footer. Good. Let me open it. Let's go back, or we can even check its responsiveness. Okay, so this is on tablet. Let me open it. I think it's too small. This is on tablet. So on tablet is not bad at all. Let me move this. I don't know if it's going to work. No, it's this one. Let me see if I can select this. I just need this one. Okay, so what I will do is, let me click here and reduce this one. Okay, good. So that this one will arrange well, and save it. Let me go to mobile. Mobile 2, we have this. I think it's okay. Mobile is okay. So far so good. We are done with that. Now let's go back here. Let's go back. Good. Hello. Now let us continue with the tutorials. I have another surprise for you. You see, as a blogger, you need something that will keep the visitors coming to your website every day. Let me give you this scenario. Let's say someone is just browsing on the internet. Then he came across your blog, okay, and the title was something catchy. Okay, maybe he want to read about it. After going through the page, he really like what you have written. The information, the knowledge that you have added to the content was quite good. He want to keep on coming back. How can you keep such person back? How can you keep on coming back to the website to read your content? It may be possible that the person may not take your your URL down so that in future you can come back to your website again. So the only way you can keep your visitors coming back to your website is using notification. Okay, that's the push notification, so that your visitors can subscribe to your push notification. Okay, so I'm going to show you another way that you can do that. Okay, and it's the best so far. Now with this, now let's go to plugins. Okay, so just come back to add new plugins, and then go to just enter push notification. Okay, you see a lot of sample here. I've made a tutorial on this one. It's the most popular one, and I think I have not tested this one before. Okay, yeah, but okay, so let's go with this one. This time we are going with this one. What I like about this one is self-hosted. Okay, all the information will be hosted on your website. You see the number of people who have subscribed to your push notification. Okay, good. You don't have to go to third-party website to subscribe here and there. Okay, this is self-hosted one, and I love it. Okay, so let's see. Now let's click here. Oh, sorry. Let's go to install straight away. Activate. Now after that, we are going to make some changes here. So straight away, go to settings, and here we are going to add a few things here. Make sure you check this. Okay, check it. If it is not done, make sure you do that. Okay, good. Do not use widget tags, ask permission there. Okay, we don't need that. Okay, let's keep everything. Okay, everything is okay. Hide the bell after subscribing. So after someone has subscribed to your push notification, you have to hide it from the site. Okay, good, or else it will disturb the person. Okay, good. The rest is okay. I want to receive the notification. Congratulations, you have okay. Then let's leave everything. You can also okay, auto hide is okay. Fix, let's see. I don't know, the fixed one, do not auto hide. No, it will, on mobile it will not look good. Okay, so here you can add your own picture. So here I've added my own picture. Make sure the picture is short one. Okay, so use a short image. Let me edit this one, make it just reduce the height again. So click here, and I'll go down here and drag it up again just to reduce it, and click crop. Okay, so I have reduced it. I hope you can see that. So I can now after clicking that, I can now click save this. Okay, so I can now add it. Okay, so I've reduced that. Okay, so collect data from users. Okay, good. You can add UTM tracker here. I don't want that. Okay, publishing a post, always send push notification. Always we have to send push notification. Okay, good. And then let's leave the rest and save that. Okay, so let's see how it works. So what I will do is I will open this one in a private window and enter my URL here, radar.blog.xyz. Okay, so we want to see how it works. Okay, how the whole thing good, as you can see, but I don't know why it's not showing. Let me refresh the page again, because it's okay. Don't worry if it's not showing, the test is not showing. I'm going to show you how to go about it. Okay, good. The test is not showing, so I'm going to show you. I'm going to give you that is CSS code which you can use to solve this problem. Okay, so I have fixed that problem. Okay, you see the text was not showing. I'm talking about a push notification. Okay, so in order to I'm going to add that to the CSS file that you will download. Okay, that is the CSS file, so don't worry, you can just go to a reader. If you have not downloaded the CSS file, I've added to that that file. Okay, so that's that code, so that you can insert it. Okay, good. So when you look at my site here, I have already added that. Okay, so I will do that. I will add it to the CSS file so that it will be part of the code. Okay, I've added that already. Okay, so this time I'm going to open it for you to see how it works now. So I will click here. Now let's go to the dashboard first and look at the plugin. We have users. Now when we go to users, we have we have two users right now. I think people are visiting the site as I'm still working on the site. Okay, so let's see, and then let's see the notifications. We are yet to send notification. Okay, we have not done that. Okay, so you can just click here and send notification. But let's see. So first of all, I will show you how you can send notification using the push notification. Okay, good. So first of all, let me open this in a private window and enter a radar blog.xyz here, and then you will get a notification. As you can see, showing now my picture is here. Do you want to receive notification? Not now. Yes. Okay, so when we went there, the users were 32. Okay, now I have subscribed to that, and let's see, let's go back to our dashboard and check the users once again. So let's go down here and look at the users. You see that it will be 3. Okay, let's see. But we have done that. Okay, we have done that. I don't know why it did not show. Okay, I want to open it on my phone I want to test that on my phone and see if that part too is working on my phone too. Just let me see. Radar blog.xyz. Okay, so I'm doing that. In fact, this is my first time. Good. And on phones too is very responsive. Okay, you can see the pictures, everything is looking nice. Okay, so I've subscribed to that. Okay, so I have to unblock that. Okay, so allow this site. Okay, so I've done that. Okay, I've done that already. So let me refresh the page. If it will be part, you see it has been added. Okay, so in that case, we want to send notification to members. Okay, you can just come here, sorry for that, or we can click here, send notification. Okay, so title, new blog post. I'm not saying write new blog post. Okay, new blog post. Okay, so read new post. Good. Now let's see if I did not close that. Okay, but no problem. After that, image URL, in case if you want to add an image to this notification that you are sending to them, or you can add that. Okay, so we will not add any image. Okay, select the notification default, that is the date. Okay, the date and time. Okay, or the day that you want to send notification, you can just set that. Okay, so we want to do it right away. Okay, good. So I will just send that. Okay, it has been sent, and let's see if I will get notification on my browser here. Okay, so it's working fine. Okay, all your users will get a notification. Okay, we get a notification. It's very cool. So let's look at notification jobs. Okay, so the first notification to total number of people is 3. Okay, we sent it to 3 people. Okay, which is very good. So I recommend this. Follow this, do the same, and you get a lot of visitors on your website. Don't take it for granted. Trust me. Okay, trust me, and you're good to go. As I'm saying, just keep on pushing, do your best, write a good content, and trust me, you earn a lot of money. You get a lot of money. You'll be paid in dollars. Okay, good. So thank you.